Hello, thanks for stopping by. It is the Wild King salmon season, and today I want to show you how to make a spectacular, barbaric dish with Wild King salmon. It is summer, and summer black truffles are here, so I thought, let's make a Wild King salmon with black truffle, champagne, beurre blanc with heirloom tomatoes. Okay, so let's look at the ingredients. Alaskan Wild King salmon is here. The season just opened up. This is what it looks like. It's absolutely amazing. I can't wait to try it. Black summer truffles are here as well. Here is what a summer truffle looks like. We're gonna integrate the black summer truffle in the sauce, and at the end of the dish we're gonna shave some black truffle on the whole thing. This is the champagne that we're going to use. We're gonna make a delicate beurre blanc with shallots and heirloom tomatoes, and it's going to be absolutely amazing. Stay until the end of the video so I can show you how I'm eating it and I tell you what it tastes like. First things first, we need to gently massage the salmon with olive oil and season it with salt and pepper and leave it at room temperature for about half an hour before cooking. After the salmon has been massaged with the olive oil, seasoned with the salt and pepper, and left at room temperature for half an hour, now it's time to dice some shallots very finely for our beurre blanc and blanch the heirloom tomato in hot boiling salty water so we can peel it and slice it into small cubes. The next thing that we need to do is start working on the beurre blanc. We're going to melt some butter gently and we're going to start sweating the shallots. After that, we're going to pour a generous amount of champagne and reduce that champagne to a syrupy consistency. When the champagne starts boiling, you need to reduce the heat slightly and simply watch the champagne so it doesn't evaporate completely. So, while the champagne sauce is reducing, now we can slice some of the truffle and get it ready for the sauce. Do you see how much the champagne has reduced? And look at that golden brown color that will further get enhanced when we add the tomatoes. And oh my God, I wish you could smell this. The smell is simply so wild, so delicious and so good. I can't wait to try this and show you what it looks like. As you can see, my cast iron is smoking and it's perfectly hot. And I hope it's not too hot because I'm going to add some olive oil in it. And hopefully it's not too hot. You see all that smoke? So now we can gently, very gently add that king salmon to the cast iron, and we are not gonna touch it for about 5 to 10 minutes. While the salmon is sizzling, my black truffle slices are infusing the beurre blanc, and I have the tomato concassé here. I'm just gonna add that in and set it on the side here. And when I flip that salmon, we're gonna start gently heating up that sauce so we can start introducing the cold butter, which makes a true beurre blanc. Okay, so I think the salmon is ready to be flipped, and I hope I didn't burn it too much. Let's see the skin. Oh man, not that bad. I mean, I expected that skin to get a little bit dark like this, but I think it's perfect and it's nice and hard, which means It's gonna be crispy. Okay, so I'm gonna put a piece of butter on top of that, and I'm gonna move it inside the oven, and I'm gonna start gently heating the sauce. Just wanna show you the salmon, look at that. Ooh, don't forget to give it a couple of bastes, and it's going to be amazing. It's almost ready. Remember, when you start heating up that sauce with the cold butter, very, very gentle heat. Otherwise, your butter emulsion will break. My beurre blanc is ready. I'm just gonna give it a little more butter because I know that it needs it. And oh my God, look at that salmon. Wow, you can't get salmon like this unless it's wild, man. All right, so my sauce is ready. I'm just gonna season it with a little bit of salt and pepper, and I think it's ready to serve. All right, so this is what the sauce looks like, and I'm just going to spoon some sauce around it with the black truffles, and oh man, I can't wait to try this. Look at this. Wow. All right, the final touch. We're going to shave some black truffle on top of the salmon. And let's see how that goes. I'm just gonna do it like this. Let's see if the truffle is shaving. Oh man, it is. Very nice. Ooh. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, I can't wait to try this. Hey, the wild king salmon with the summer black truffles and the champagne beurre blanc with heirloom tomato, and I think I deserve a little bit of that champagne. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers. Wow, I can't wait to try this. I've never made this sauce before. I just created it for this dish. Kind of came up to me, and I want to see how it is. And the moment of truth. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, this is better than I expected. Oh my God. Delicious. Wild king salmon season. You have to try this. Oh my God. The shallots and the champagne and the heirloom tomatoes and the black truffles. Wow. Truly barbaric feast. I love it. Wow, the salmon is very delicious. It's not gamey at all. Usually wild king salmon tends to be a little bit gamey because it's a wild fish, and people sometimes complain it's a little fishy, a little gamey, but it is wild. Anyway, I made it with this sauce because I thought that the acidity of the champagne together with the sweetness of the tomatoes and of course the unbelievable flavor from the black truffles will cut that gamey taste a little bit, but there is no gamey flavor at all. The salmon is absolutely amazing. Oh. If you like this video, you know what to do. If you have any comments, you know what to do as well. Thank you for watching. This is the Barbaric Eats cooking show. I'll see you in the next one. Meanwhile, I'll finish this with the champagne. Wow, absolutely mind-blowing experience. Unbelievable. Look at this, look at this. Oh my God, the beurre blanc, the shallots. Black truffle beurre blanc with champagne, heirloom tomato. Black truffle beurre blanc with heirloom tomato. Black truffle heirloom. Black truffle champagne beurre blanc with heirloom. I guess the original version was fine.